Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Chevron stock, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching Chevron and understanding its position in the oil and gas industry. Visit the official Chevron website to gather information on the company's financial health, recent news, and future prospects. Look for key performance indicators such as revenue, profit margins, and debt levels. Find out about Chevron's dividends, as this is an important aspect for many investors. Consider the current stock price and market trends affecting the energy sector. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one yet, as this is essential for buying stocks. Choose a brokerage that suits your needs, looking for factors like fees, user interface, and available resources. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into it to prepare for your investment. Search for Chevron's stock symbol, which is Chevron, on the brokerage platform. Analyze the stock's performance graph, paying attention to historical trends and fluctuations. Decide how many shares you want to purchase, based on your budget and investment strategy. Place a market order to buy shares at the current market price or a limit order at your preferred price. Confirm your purchase and check your brokerage account to ensure the transaction went through. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about any changes in Chevron's performance. Consider diversifying your investments in the oil and gas sector to manage risk effectively. Stay updated on industry news and economic factors that could impact Chevron's stock price. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared for market volatility, as energy stocks can fluctuate based on global events. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you need personalized investment advice. With this information, you're now ready to start investing in Chevron stock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.